Good morning. Come with me as I attend our graduation pictorial. Honestly, sinabi nila na pupunta kami doon with the bare face, but hello, we cannot go out under the sun without a sunscreen. We're walking na because walking distance lang naman talaga yung school from sa bahay namin. So it's just like a 10-minute walk. Kaya yan. Fast forward, andito na tayo sa school. Anyway, hindi lang pala grad pictorial ang pupuntahan natin ngayon kasi sasamahan natin si Shufatin for her college entrance examination. Hoy, good luck! And while waiting for her, nag-order nga muna ako ng kape because, oh my gosh, di ba ako nakakapag-breakfast, Jai? Tapos, kumakalam na talaga yung sikumura ko that time. So, sabi ko, eksakto kasi na nag-open yung kapehan. Kaya yan, nag-order nila ako ng coffee because, my goodness, I'm so hungry. Tapos, habang nga hinihintay ko yung kape, naalala ko pala, hindi pala ako nakapag-earring. Buti na lang, may dala akong earring. O, diba? Perfect. And here is the coffee. So fluffy and foamy. Kape po tayo. Pero tayo naman, paubos na yung kape ko. Hindi pa rin nakakalabas yung hinihintay ko. At tapos gutom na naman ako. Charot. Fast forward, tapos na siya guys. Tapos na talaga siya. And we were just talking about yung experience na dun sa college entrance examination. Pero, no comment guys, no comment. At least natapos. And natapos ng matiwasay. Now we're going sa gym kasi doon magaganap yung grad pictorial. Actually, nandun na yung iba. Parang late na ako that time. Kasi it was like past 11. Pagpasok ko doon, ayan, mini-makeup pa na yung iba. And that's great. Because meron ng makeup artist. Parang package kasi yung offer. Makeup, a free makeup, and yung mga photos. So, that's it. For the waiting, nagbayad na ako that time and maghihintay na lang tayo. Tapos kain tayo guys kasi gutom na naman ang Farzan. Buti na lang nandyan si Shufatin para may tagakuha ng pagkain ba. Aww. Pero in fairness, dahil nagutom talaga ako kakahintay. Like, anong oras na that time? Past 1 na ata. And this is it. Nasa my first line na tayo. And then, it was our turn. Naka-off shoulder kasi ako that time. And then there, we're going on with the kilay. Alam niyo yung kilay ko talaga, hindi talaga yan pantay. Like, hindi sila magpantay. Parang yung left side, yung left side ko, lagi nakataas. And then yung right side, parang nakababa. So, kung titignan mo yung photo, yung grad pictorial ko talaga, oh my gosh, nakita ko lang siya the other day. And my goodness, yung kilay ko talaga yung problema. Honestly, sharing lang SKL, hindi talaga ako sanay magpa-makeup sa iba kasi most of the time, no, pag may occasions or special events ganun, ako talaga yung gumagawa ng sarili kong makeup and hair. Kaya parang hindi ako sanay talaga nagpapa-makeup sa iba. Share ko lang cause sometimes I think it's just better to do it yourself rather than let others do it. And yan, tapos na nga tayo sa ating face. Punta naman tayo sa ating hair. Very, naano ka dun sa the way they curl the hair because it was so consistent that, alam mo yung nagbubukol-bukol na yung hair and it can be compiled into one. And we're done already. Pero alam mo, pagkaalis ko dun sa my chair, parang pinapawisan na agad. Pinapawisan na talaga agad ako. Very pawisin na talaga ako actually. Pero okay naman siya. Until actually okay yung makeup until I came home. Nandun pa rin. Plakado pa rin. Fresh look pa rin. And we're in the waiting for our turn naman para dun sa formal and casual wear. Casual wear. Parang walang casual. And yan, nagtatry lang ako ng mga alampay. Cause, parang bet ko yung pink. Parang. Pero actually, mas bet ko yung black. When it comes to alampay, mas bet ko yung natural color. Like brown and a black accent maybe. Actually, yun yung ginamit ko kasi nung trinay ko siya without yung pink, trinay ko siya without a it's very I don't like. So, ayan, pinaayos sa akin yung alampay na naturally brown, and my black na accent. And it's our turn na nga sa ating formal and casual wear. Formal and casual, parang alampay and Filipiniana style kasi siya. SKL, sa unang take ko, titignan naman yung mukha ko talaga. Ayaw ko talaga yung unang picture. And then, nag-for take talaga ako sa unang picture, and then before ako nag-proceed sa my grad gown or the toga. And dun sa my creative shoot naman. Last aura bago gumora. Tapos, nagabihan pa. Perfect! Bye!